Unique ID YOUELOENG0215. Greetings everyone. My topic for the day: real wealth is never measured in money or possession. It's true, one's wealth is not to be determined by the money or possession he holds, rather, it's about the ethics or values he has for himself. We all know money plays a fundamental role in all of our lives and none of us can live without it. But a person with just money, who's highly earning and amongst riches, in the absence of his values or personality, is not said to have a good image in the society. When a person is being remembered by someone, that is when you get to know what sort of a pure hearted person he is, because at the end, it is the heart and soul that matters. True wealth lies in things which we wouldn't trade for anything, whatever the case may be, and this brings you out as a good human being. Real wealth is not just about the materialistic things, it's about the content life you've been living, positive human relationships, friends, hopes, and many, many things. In today's fast moving globalized economy, when we're all busy making money, there's one thing that we tend to ignore, which is our health. Failing to prioritize health puts us through pain which we would never want to imagine. Apart from this, we also tend to ignore the little things around us, which is said to bring us abundant happiness, making our life cheerful amidst the rat race. One's true happiness lies in the fact that how much he's been through his journey, experienced and lived life at each juncture. And anybody who's failing in this respect is tend to be regretful when he turns back in life. Health is wealth, and that's true. As I've mentioned earlier, only when you're healthy you become wealthy, and this is not just to be understood in physical terms, but also in a mental perspective. That is, building good human connections will get you through, develop a good character, lead peaceful, respected, and be remembered by the society. Any moral values learned will stay with you forever, besides the effort you put in to make it stay. Whereas there's no guarantee if the money or possession will stay with you forever. And even if it stays, a wealthy man who's completely lost his character is not said to be a wealthy man at all. Everyone or most of us desire to become highly successful and we want to achieve the best out of the world. Well, that's not wrong. Forgetting our relationships and values is where we forget who we are. From the lowest section to the richest in the society, anybody without his values is not said to be a wealthy man. A person from whom we get to learn good values is where we get to experience peace and happiness. It's true, we may stand astonished seeing a person with the highest possession, but that is not where we get to experience that content feeling of living life. Real wealth is never measured in money or possession. It's a dry topic, but still it is said to have a profound impact on mankind. And I would like to conclude my speech saying real wealth is never measured in money or possession. It's about the ethics and values one holds for himself. Thank you.